Hi friends, this is KAMALA RAMESH. In this video, I am going to discuss about the geometrical figures related to the two types of lines, the curved line and the straight line, open figures and closed figures. Okay, shall we begin? So first let's discuss about the straight line. So these are some of the examples for a straight line. Okay, these are some of the examples for a straight line. The lines are straight and you have 2 points. Okay. Now, when we talk about a straight line, so this is a straight line. It is a straight line, begins at one point and ends at another point. The line is very straight, so it is called a straight line. It is called a straight line. Watch me carefully. This is called a curved line. It is called a curved line. You can see I have started from one point and goes on up and down and ends at another point. Okay? The line is not even. It has many curves. So it is called a curved line. It is called a curved line. It's called the curved line. The straight line and the curved line can also be considered as open figures because it starts at one point and ends at another point. The same way, the curved line starts at one point and ends at the other point. Now, look at the chart carefully. Okay. Now, I begin with one point and I am going on moving and ends here. So when we look at this figure, I started at one point and ended with another point. These two ends are not meeting at a point, so it is called open figure. Okay, it's called a open figure. I'll give you another example. So, I started here and went up and down and ended here. You can see the 2 points are at the extreme. They are not moving at the same point. They are not getting jointed or connected at one place. So, they are called open figures. They do not meet at one point. So, they are called open figures. Now, when I talk about closed figures, so for the closed figures, I take the example of a circle. Okay, when we draw a circle, we start from one point and goes on and come back and end at the same point. So, a circle is a closed figure. A circle is a closed figure. Square. Okay, square, we have 4 lines equally in measurement. So, we start at one point and go on and come back at the same point. Ends at the same point. The starting and the ending point are same. So, this is called a closed figure. This is a triangle. Again, if we start at one point, we come and end at the same point. So, this is called a closed figure. This is another triangle and this is also a closed figure. This is a rectangle. You have 4 sides. The equal sides are opposite And when we start drawing this figure, we begin with one point and come back and land at the same point. So this also is called a closed figure. Okay. So you have the square, you have the circle, you have the circle, you have the square, you have the triangle and the rectangle. These are some of the examples for a closed figure. Right? Okay, I'll give you some more example for closed figure. See where I am going. I started at one point and came back and ended at the same point. So this is a closed figure. This is a closed figure. This is a closed figure. So these are some of the examples for the closed figure. Okay children, these are all called closed figures. Okay, so we have two types of line: straight line, curved line. We have open figures and we have closed figures. Okay, so if you want to keep easily in mind, you have the circle, you have the square, you have the rectangle, you have the triangle. Okay, so this is a figure, geometrical figure having all closed figures. Okay children, thank you.